Hey Joyriders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy, this is Peanut. Say hi. And there go Honey Bunny. Say hi. Peanut, stop it. Stop. Today is Saturday, and today I got a lot going on, okay? Oh, look at all that gray hair, girl. You getting up there? I'm at the laundromat, and I'm about to get this van cleaned out. Look at what happened. I'm driving in this, wait, where is it? Hold on. See that? My little plastic thing, it fell while I was driving. Yep, so that fell over. I got to get back there and get that straightened up. But before I do that, I got to go inside the store and I got to get some laundry soap because I don't have any more. And then I'm going to put these clothes in the wash machine and then come back and get this van situated. I got to take my sheets and stuff off the bed so I can wash my bed. Have a clean bed, have a clean home. Let's get to it. All right. I gotta go. The store's right there. That is Family Dollar. What, Peanut? What do you want? Y'all see his collar? It only works with a remote, but I put it on him because it'll make him calm down sometime. When I first put it on him, look, see, I gotta scrub both of them at the same time or they're gonna be fighting. Watch him. See, if I stop with him, look at her. Oh, she behaving herself. Oh, that's your good girl. Peanut is jealous. Stop. That's enough. Get down. I'm about to go inside and I don't want to hear your mouth when I leave, okay? You gotta be on your best behavior till I come back, because you like to make all the noise, Peanut. I use this little, this roll from the toilet paper. I don't hit him with it. I just like shake it at him. Look. See him? See? Get down. He don't like it. But that makes him behave sometime. So anyway, I'm going to go inside the store, get some laundry soap, and then get these clothes ready so they could go in the wash. I'll be back. So I like Gain, but I like the pods, and it does look like the only ones they have besides those Homeland. I don't know what that is. Homeline. Yep, so I guess this is what I have to get. All right. Guys, Fifi is a mess. I did my laundry and I called myself trying to fix my bed. Well, disastrous. It's a disaster. Let me show y'all what this place looks like. Oh gosh. Alright guys, so I'm back inside with Fifi, and yesterday it's Sunday now. Okay, so yesterday I did do the laundry and stuff that you saw, and then today I'm getting ready to clean up this mess, but my grandkids came over and I made I didn't make no eggplant. I was watching Mateo make his eggplant. I made chickpeas curried chickpeas and rice and a salad. And they ate me out of house at home. They ate all the food. They left me with a little bit of salad. And then they went home. So now it's raining. It's raining. It was snowing, but the snow stopped and now it's raining. So I don't know what this world is coming to right now. I twisted up my hair. I washed it. I went to the gym, took my shower, washed it, and came back. I cooked food. I took a little nap, and now this van is a mess. I need to clean it. Sorry, y'all, I got allergies. So, but the food came out really good. I can't believe they ate all the food. My grandkids ate it all. And then asked for more. They came back for more. They were like, can we have more? I was like, what? I only made 2 cans of chickpeas and I curried them. And I was going to make 1 can because I was only cooking for myself. But I called myself cooking for today and tomorrow, so I didn't have to cook tomorrow. But now I got to cook tomorrow because I don't have any more left over. Yep, they ate it all. But that's all right. They're my babies, you know? Gotta feed the babies. So my daughter doesn't have to cook dinner. It was nice having them, though. She stayed in her car because the van couldn't hold all 4 of them and her. So she stayed in her car. And they came over here, climbed in my bed, played around while I cooked. And then the little boy, he just had a birthday Friday. He turned 3. So he kept saying, what are you cooking? What you cooking? What you cooking? He asked me about 50 times what I'm cooking. And I kept telling him the same thing. And then I said, what am I cooking? He said, salad and rice. I said, boy, oh boy, these children. But that's memories, you know? And you guys might think, y'all that don't live in a van and don't understand, you know, you just watching vicariously, you know, through me and other van lifers. And that's okay. Because, you know, it's not for everybody. This life is not for everybody. Like my daughters, the 2 of them, I got 2 girls and a boy, they don't understand. And it's okay. Like I said to them, okay, it's not your life. It's not the way you choose to live. And I understand that. That's okay. But it's my life. And it's the way that I choose to live. So, respect the way I choose to live. I respect the way you choose to live. So, yeah. I cooked them a whole meal. Okay? And they loved it. We sat here and ate. She even ate. She ate in her car. They ate over here. She's like, oh, I was going to go home and cook some chicken. I said, well, you don't got to cook now because their bellies is full. And they enjoyed it. And I enjoyed having them. So that was that. So now, clean up. The cleanup is always the worst part for curry. For me, anyway. I don't know about for you, but I absolutely hate cleaning it. I hate cleaning it. But I put water in the pot so it won't get stuck to it, because then I didn't clean it up right away. So they put their feet down on the floor. They're like, wow, what's that heat? So I don't know if you can hear it, but that's my diesel heater going. Oh, I didn't even put my clothes away yet. But I took a little nap when they left because they wore me out. Okay? They wore their old grandma out. So I don't know. I don't think you guys want to watch me clean. Don't look like I'm cleaning, right? But I use the paper towels, lots of paper towels, and I have my spray bottle, which I need to refill with my vinegar and water concoction. I do have dishwashing liquid, and for this curry I might want to use that. What you think, huh? I think the dishwashing liquid might be best for the curry. And it's not in here. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Here it is. Oh, got it. I got Dawn. See? Doesn't stay up there while I'm driving, because if I left that up there while I was driving, it would fall. So it would fall. I think I left the dog bowls outside because they were having a drink. It's actually time for them to have dinner, but if you guys know Peanut, he doesn't like to be out in the rain, so he won't go out there to have dinner. I will have to feed them inside and then let them out. I mean, it's not raining that bad, but let me show y'all. We got just a little bit of snow. Hold on. I'm inside the van. It's a lot of rain, but it's just a little bit of snow. See? And then the commuter lot is just about empty, but there's not even no snow. So they gave us a parking ban, if you ask me, for no reason, because there's no snow. It's just all rain. All rain. All rain. Okay? If you guys went on my live last night, look what I got. Woo-hoo, look at that. She got light now, and look at it. It's a light bulb. It's really cool because, see it? And this is a magnet here. It's got batteries inside. You just twist this part off and there's batteries in there, but it just sticks right in there. See? How cool is that? So now you can see me. So last night was really dark, but today you can see me. So I went to Family Dollar and got that. That was $7 and like 50 cents, something like that. I went and bought that. I was like, we need some light in this van, and I don't care if I have to put batteries in it, but that right there is actually worth it because look how bright it is. And I can dim it if I don't want it too bright. Let me see. I'll turn this light out. Hold on. I just had the remote for that. What did I do with it? I just had the remote. Lord have mercy. All right. There. Oh my goodness. That was me. That was me. Whew. See, and look, it's still even bright. We're just on dull. Let me see. There. That's bright. Look at that. And that's the only light on in here. So that is super cool. I'm excited about that. So next time I go live, you guys will be able to see me. And I don't have one of those in Mr. Blue. So that's the best part about it. So look at my kitchen. It's dirty, see? It's dirty. That was the rice pot and that was the curry. Chickpeas was in there, so I got to clean up. But I just came back on because I had to finish up that video. I did not get a chance to take those pictures yet because today was a day, okay? And I am exhausted. I don't know if you can see how red my eyes are, but I'm ready to go to sleep. I am ready to go to sleep. And it's pretty early, but I want to go to sleep. I tried to take a nap and my daughter called me. I tried to take a nap and my sister called me. So I'm like, let me just get up and clean up this kitchen. Why my nose look like that? There's nothing in there. That look crazy. But anyway, gotta clean up this mess. I got a little bit of salad left. Let me see. They ate up everything, but that's okay. I cooked it for them. It's okay. All right, guys. I'm going to finish cleaning up, and then I'm going to go to sleep. So, until my next video, you already know. Remember to have more faith than fear. Many blessings.